Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at the full process of passing the G1 exam and its important changes since April 2023 year. I chose Take the Drive G1 in the Toronto Meter DriveTest from. The main change is that you have to book a slot, that is, time, by QR code. Now we will see this QR code. That is, starting at 7 in the morning, you can get in line and a text message will come to you 15 minutes before your turn. You'll see it on the screen now. Then we go to the center, get a ticket at the entrance and look at the screen, your number will appear there. Now we will see the room where the exam will take place. Now you can hear people being called. As soon as you are called, you go to the table. This is how the apparatus for the exam looks like. Next, you can ask to choose your language. At the same time, you will have the opportunity to switch to English. It will be good to repeat the numbers from 1 to 10 in English and the alphabet just in case. You receive the documents from the employee and immediately passes the exam. Don't sit down, don't wait for anything. Otherwise, you can sit for about an hour. Guys, the main thing here is not to worry. Try to calm down as much as possible. Always know that your time is unlimited. Therefore, we calmly sat down, caught our breath for a minute and got to work. You can make a maximum of 4 mistakes. As soon as you have passed the exam, naturally, you immediately see whether you have passed or not. Then, after 2 weeks, the rights come to your email. Guys, in our application J1 Kend website you can train in any language. 99% of people pass the exam. No need to subscribe to our channel. Just take the exam. Good luck to you.